Hello there, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a comprehensive guide on how to view your address book in Facebook. If you're looking to access and manage your contacts, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. If you haven't already downloaded the Facebook app, head over to the Play Store. In the search bar, type Facebook and hit enter. Step 2. Look for the white F logo on a white background. Tap on it and then select Install to download the app. Step 3. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your Facebook account. Step 4. Tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Step 5. Locate the gear icon next to the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner. Tap on it. Step 6. Scroll down to the Your Information section and tap on Access Your Information. Step 7. Tap on Personal Information. Step 8. Finally, tap on your address books from the Your Address Books section. By following these 8 simple steps, you'll be able to view your address book in Facebook. This feature allows you to access and manage your contacts conveniently within the Facebook app. Viewing your address book in Facebook enables you to stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues. You can easily find and update contact information, organize your contacts, and reach out to them whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.